Hello, my name is David Hum with the Lincoln and Lancaster County Health Department, and I'm also a member of our Lancaster Crusade Against Colon Cancer. We want to thank all of the pharmacies for participating again this year for our March and April promotion of Colon Cancer Awareness Month. And today I just wanted to kind of show an example of the resource bags or kits that all of the pharmacies will get and just provide you a little bit more education so all staff can understand and be on the same page of the promotion. Every bag will have the pharmacy name and the location so we can keep those straight. And then also on the back, a quick rundown of the instructions of distributing the kits to the public. So the main folder we have with most of the information will look like this. On this side, it's mostly awareness information. So this is a background information of our promotion that we do in March and April. We have ideas for each pharmacy to do for promotion within their own stores. For example, we encourage you to have resource tables. You know, pick a week maybe to have a resource table. Maybe do announcements over the intercom. We also have posters, small posters that you can put up around the pharmacy area to encourage people to stop to get a kit. And we have a button that you can wear, so pharmacies can wear. We usually provide a couple for each pharmacy. And then the important information as far as distributing kits is on this other side. And then also we have a frequently asked questions sheet. I think will be helpful for pharmacy staff that customers usually ask about when distributing the kits. And then the form. So we'll have forms when people are getting a kit. So when someone requests a FOBT kit, they need to fill this form out completely. So they'll fill the top part off and sign it at the bottom. This gives permission for us to follow up with them and their physician about the results of their test. The most important thing of the pharmacy, after they fill this out, to fill out the kit number. So the kit number has LN19 and then a number. So the LN is just Lincoln 2019. The number you need to fill out is 733 in this example. So you just fill that number at the top here and then provide them the kit. Once you've provided them the kit, they have this filled out, you have the number on there, then you keep this form. So then once you have all the completed forms can go in this, you can keep them in the bag to keep them separate. And then at the end of each week, you can mail these in. We have a pre-stamped envelope with our address. Also, you know, we might have someone come in and check in and pick them up. But again, just plan on mailing these in, whether you have 2 or 3 or 20. We want you to mail those in so we can enter the information into the database. Again, these are the kits. You usually bind them in about 25. Each pharmacy will get about 25 to 40 of these to start out with. Then, of course, if you run out, there's contact information to let us know if you need more. Another thing we added this year was a sample FOBT kit to provide pharmacy staff to provide education to the customers when they have questions. So the idea, again, we found that the more education that's done up front when people are picking up kits, the more comfortable they feel about completing the kits and the more likely they are to return it for testing. I just wanted to let people know, we do have a folder with other languages. So we have a folder with Spanish forms and Spanish instructions if that's a need for customers. And we also, this year, we had a request to provide Vietnamese and Arabic translated forms. So we also have a few of those in here, and those can be copied if you need more there also. And there's also kit instructions, so in other languages, if someone needs a little bit more help in completing this, you can also provide those to them too. So that's really all that's in the kits, or in these resource bags. Again, as I said, this is kind of a go-to that kind of explains what I just went over. But there is contact information, my contact, other staff here, and also of our Crusade members, there's one member that has adopted a pharmacy. So your pharmacy has been adopted by one of our members that will be checking in with you once a week to see if you need anything, if you have any questions, and also to remind you to turn in the completed forms. So again, we really appreciate your help, and hopefully this is helpful in understanding what the requirements are this year. Thank you.